The Western Cape High Court has dismissed expelled MK party leader Jabulani Khumalo's application, seeking to be reinstated on the list of candidates to be sworn in as MPs. The court has ruled that his application lacks urgency. This comes just a day after he failed to convince the Electoral Court that his expulsion from the MK party was unlawful. Our reporter Nasiphi Same joins me now live for the update from the Western Cape High Court. Nasiphi, thank you so much for joining us on Daytime Update. It seems it is the end of the road for Jabulani Khumalo.
Cheers.
Well, one might assume that it is the end of the road, and speaking to his legal team not too long ago, they indicated that they're yet to speak to their client, who's going to be giving them a way forward as to whether or not they will be appealing. And as you put it, it is indeed another blow for expelled founder of MK Party, Jabulani Khumalo. We spent quite a few hours here in court, arguments from both the applicant and also the MK Party. But to talk to us further about not only the dismissal on the urgent basis, but also some of the arguments presented in court, I'm joined by Barnabas Xulu, who was representing, forms part of the legal team of Umkhonto weSizwe. Thank you so much for your time. But the matter has been, struck off the roll. Talk to us about some of the arguments that you put forward before court today.
Yeah, the strong argument, which we clearly of the view that the court was in agreement with our side, is the argument of the membership. Whether Mr. Khumalo is still a member of MK as we speak, or he has been expelled. We have made a very strong case factually that he has been expelled, and that expulsion has not been challenged yet. There is no court that is currently considering that expulsion. Now, following from that question, the next question to be asked is whether he will then qualify to be a member of a National Assembly if he's not a member of the political party. Section 47(3)(c) of the Constitution is very clear that you have to be a member of a political party because it is the political party that nominates you to be a member of the National Assembly. In this case, the answer is to the affirmative, that he's not a member of the political party, therefore he does not qualify. And the interdict that he was seeking could not then stand, and the court decided to strike the matter off the roll because of the lack of the merits on his part.
On that note on merits, the issue of urgency was also brought into question in court, taking into account the letter that was served to him was in April.
Yes, the court looked into that, even though Mr. Khumalo's legal team tried to introduce through the back door the submissions that have made in the matter, which was before the Electoral Court, which recently have been dismissed. They tried to introduce the steps that he has taken, and clearly he has wasted time in challenging his expulsion, and the court could not even consider that evidence that was put through the back door by introducing the affidavit from that court.
Unfortunately, we're going to have to leave it there. Attorney there representing the Umkhonto weSizwe party here at the Western Cape High Court, detailing to us their arguments in court, and this is in relation to the urgent basis that was brought, or rather application brought by Jabulani Khumalo, who was seeking to cling on to his seat as a member of parliament, as we do know that the first sitting for the 7th administration will be tomorrow.
Nasiphi Same, thank you so much for that report.